Hello everyone, and welcome to Direct Maths. This is the second episode in our basic arithmetic series, and it's about subtraction. But first, before we get into the main video, for those of you who did the extra question at the end of the last video, here is the work through for it. The question was, if the distance between New York and London is 5,765 kilometers and the distance between London and Delhi is 4,387 kilometers, what is the distance between New York and Delhi? So, for this question, obviously you just have to follow all of the advice that we gave in the video. 5,765 kilometers is our first bit of data, which I've circled there, and obviously our little plus sign there, and 4,387 underneath. Obviously going to leave a little gap there for our answer, which is going to go there. And so we're just going to solve through this. 5 plus 7 is 12. Obviously 12 two-digit number, so we put the second digit in this case, which is the 2 right there, and we put the little 1 up there, which is going to get added onto the next column. So 6 plus 8 plus 1 obviously is 15. So again, put the 5 there, and we put the 7. We put the 1 there next to the 7. 7 plus 1 plus 3 obviously is 11. So you put the 1 there, and then the 1 goes back up there, and then the 5 plus the 4 plus the 1 is 10. And since there's no more digits to carry on to, we just write the 10 in its entirety. So our answer is 10,152, and because there's units, we're just going to put km there to indicate kilometers, and we box that up, and that is our answer. So well done if you got that right. Keep practicing basic arithmetic. Basically all of our videos, they're just meant to set you off, and then you can do some extra practice if you want to. Obviously you're not going to get it first try. Try to sort of do more problems, get the hang of it, and you'll be a master in no time. So now I'll hand over to my friend, who's going to do the first question in the main video.
Hi everyone, welcome to the second episode of our basic arithmetic series. In this video, you will learn about column subtraction, what is meant by borrowing, and how to solve word problems that involve these methods. So, let's do some example problems. The book I'm currently reading has 543 pages, and I'm on page 213. How many pages are left in the book? So we're going to set out this problem exactly as we did in column addition, but with one small change. The plus sign is going to change to a minus sign, and the larger number goes on top because we're taking away the small number from the bigger number, because we want to find out how many pages are left in the book. So 543 on top, 213 at the bottom. We write minus to remind us of what operation we're going to be doing. Leave some space for our answer. And there we go. We can start solving. So we work from right to left again. So we do 3 minus 3, which is 0. 4 minus 1, which is 3. And then finally, 5 minus 2, which is also 3. And you might have guessed our answer is 330. So this problem was quite simple, but now my friend is going to explain how you calculate problems that involve borrowing.
So I'm here now to explain to you how to do borrowing. Let's read our question here. I just bought a car for £26,580, and 9 years after that, it went on sale for £2,374. How much money could I have saved if I had waited for just 9 years? Well, first we have to identify our data. Our first number is obviously going to be 26,580. Our second number is going to be 2,374. So let's just lay it out exactly like my friend taught you. So 26,580 on the top and 2,374 on the bottom. Minus sign there to remind us of what operation we're doing. And obviously the answer goes here. Now we work from right to left, like my friend taught you. So this first column, 0 minus 4. But wait. That doesn't add up. You can't take 4 away from 0. Well, in this context, we're just going to have to pretend that instead of a 0, it's a 10, and there's a 1 next to that 0. So 10 minus 4 is 6. But wait, where did that extra 1 come from? Surely we should account for that. The way we do this is by crossing out the next number along and replacing it with 1 below that. It's kind of like imagining the 0 asking the 8 next to it for a 1 to help it out, and allowing it to be able to subtract 4 from the 0. So now we just continue on with the subtraction. 7 minus 7 is 0. 5 minus 3 is 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. And 2, obviously there's nothing here, so 2 minus nothing is just 2. So I could have saved £24,206 if I'd waited 9 years.
We've now reached the end of the video, and as in our last video, we're going to give you an additional question just to send you off so you can practice your subtraction skills that you've learned in this video. So, the question is, if I have 2,000 beads and I give my friend 1,694 beads, how many beads do I have now? Don't worry about the large numbers. The method is exactly the same, and you'll need to borrow for this question. We also have an extra part for any of you that are up to the challenge, and links our 2 videos on addition and subtraction together. The second part is, later I go back to the market to buy an extra 1,839 beads to stock back up. How many beads do I have now? You will need to add and subtract for this question, but we know you'll be able to do it. So good luck! In the next video, we will be covering the answer to this question and exactly how to solve it. There are 2 ways to solve this, with a second part included, so an extra bonus if you can figure that out. We'll be covering that too in the next video, so look out for that one and make sure you watch it. It really takes us a lot of time to make these videos for you, so we will be really thankful and appreciate it if you decide to subscribe. Subscribing is free and you don't have to worry about anything when you do that, and it supports us as we continue to make more videos for you. If you like the video, give the video a like too below. Apart from that, have a great day. Bye.
Bye.